My name is Giti Abbasi, and I'm going to read one of my poems from my published book. To open eyes, to see things in the material world, that is not the complete sight of eyes. In reality, it is infatuation. To look at and see beyond seeing the touchable is to reach and feel the feelings in heart. And to use the color of nature, bring heart's imagination to life, to express those feelings. Create imagination with colorful words coming from the soul of a poet becomes one with the soul of a poem created by the poet's emotions from the soul of the poet, to show in picture coming from the soul, to proclaim human feelings in the words of heart, for others to understand those hidden realities is the real understanding of seeing. Without naked eyes, of knowledge within the breast. My poem does not talk about human emotions, hate, fear, or love to those who have restrictions to the body of nature only. The reality of the truth in this world is the shadow of existence of the reality in the non-material world. To discover them in the imaginations or the dreams, with the sight of sense, with the eyes of eyeless, the sight of heart side by side, with the sight of intellect, mind, intuition, will explain the mystical secrets of the world, will appear in front of eyes like hidden fruit from the flower of the fruit tree, waiting to appear in front of eyes.